In this episode of DIYNate, I'm going to be showing you a pointer to help you with creating PDFs from your iPhone. In the past, I've used certain apps like Cam Scanner and some other stuff. So in this case, though, we're going to use just your straight up iPhone. And I'm going to go over to my photos because I have some pictures that I need to share with a tech support team at Hewlett Packard. So I'm in my photos. I'm just now going to select the photos that I want to use. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I'm going to take it and I'm going to go over here and I'm going to save it to my files. So over here, we're going to save it to my files. I'm going to put it in, hopefully, one of my files for PDF. I've created a folder there and I'm going to save it down there. And so now, once I've got it saved, there is a way that so now I'm going to go to my files for PDF on that specific folder. Files for PDFs, and here I'm going to select the photos that I need. At this point, I've got a couple options here, and right here I've got Create PDF, and this is how you do it. So you click Create PDF, and it should create one of these that's actually a new PDF image for me. So that worked. Let's go back and do the file search again. Let's see if it actually gave me my PDF that I need. I believe there it is. So right here, now you can see I've got a nice PDF. I didn't have to save any other software or anything else. And so with that, that's pretty much how you do it. So at this point, I'm ready to take this. I'm also going to rename it in this case. I want to call this my Hewlett Packard, HP tech issue. And I'm going to say done, and then I'm going to make this super easy on myself. I'm going to grab it, I'm going to email it to myself, and there you go. And you hit send, and try sending the attachment. Sometimes these PDFs can be pretty big, so you can use MailDrop or something else. This one's 157 meg, so it doesn't really like that too much. And with that, that's how you make a very simple PDF from your iPhone. Pretty cool. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out some other ways you can support DIYNate. Really appreciate it, and have a great day.